Welcome to HardReset.Info channel JFG4. In front of me iMac A2116, and now I'm going to show you how to change the system language on this device. So firstly, you need to open the System Settings application, then find General here, and here you will see Language and Region. And here, as you can see, I have several edit languages. And if you, for example, want to change language to the language that was successfully added to this list, so you just need to, for example, I want to change to Hebrew, for example. So we need to move Hebrew on the first place. And in this way, we'll change the language of our device, but we will need to click Restart now, and after restart, your system will be in Hebrew. But we have the other way, for example, to add the language we have now in this list. To do it, firstly, of course, we need to add the language to this list. For example, Deutsch, and click Add. Of course, you can click Use German right now, but I suggest you please click Use your current language, and then just move your recently added language to the first place. Great! Cool! That's it. So, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!